In this video, I'm going to show how you can download PyCharm, which is the integrated development environment that I'll be using for my demos, and I encourage you to do the same if you want to follow along. So what you can do is go to Google, just click on download PyCharm, and this link here, download PyCharm, the Python IDE for professionals by JetBrains.com. I would click on that, and you're going to come to this page, and you're going to see a little bit down here, not the first one, which is PyCharm Professional. There's going to be a PyCharm Community Edition, which you can hit download, and you can download it, and it'll go right to your downloads folder. Double click that and install it, and you'll be ready to go. I just wanted to highlight how there is a professional, and that is not a free one, and there's a community edition one, and that's the one that I'll be using, and it's forever free, and you could always update when there's new updates and so on and so forth.